Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a YouTube intro. I'm going to use two apps, which is PicsArt and Canva. Okay, now so I am going in and choosing the iPhone transparent sticker on the PicsArt app. See, I couldn't find the exact one I use, but I'm going to just click one just so you can get gist of what I'm doing. And we're going to save that. Then I'm going to go on to the Canva app. Alright. So now I'm going to position where I want it to be. And I'm basically doing the same thing, going in and getting the Instagram logo. So now that I have that together, you're going to add your video of your choice to the phone. In Canva, I'm going to get the neon text and I'm going to edit that to what I want it to be. I'm going to put my Instagram name. And then I'm going to size that down to my liking. And then I'm going to edit the text font because it's a little too cursive for me. So I'm going to just put in the regular bold. And then I'm going to size it down. Now I'm going in and I'm going to use that same neon text. I'm going to put vlogs, whatever. Anything of your choice you can write in there, but I'm gonna write the vlogs because that's what I'm gonna be doing on my channel. So that's what I want in my intro. Right now I'm just fixing it up and turning it which way I want it to go. Now I'm going to change that font to the bold font that I wanted. And now I'm going back and doing the same thing, picking the neon text, and I'm putting the second title up there. So yeah, just add that wherever you want. You don't have to do it exactly like me. You can just pick wherever font or style you like for your intro. Now I'm just changing the color because those two clash. So I'm going to do a tan nude. Basically that's what my theme is, just nude skin tone colors. I think this is so easy, like you can just go in and get the sticker and a transparent. Make sure it's transparent, like the background that you pick is the squares. Now I'm going to fit in my picture that I chose, and I'm going to add the title. Once again, repeating the theme, the neon text, and I'm adding in my other title since I am family oriented. Now we're getting into the tedious fun part. We're adding our photo, which most YouTube intros, they got the baddie, the shadow, cutout photo that they usually have up there. So I'm going to cut it out, and the best way to cut it out is to zoom in so you can get a precise cut. And just to spruce it up, do the shadow effect for your YouTube intro. Just adjust the shadow, make sure you position it and everything. and that's how you're gonna get it, and then you'll see in the next clip. Alright, you see what I'm talking about now? Baddie. It's giving you baddie intro vibes. So we're going to put the phone again, and we're going to put a video. You can put a video of your choice, it doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to add the neon text again, because that's the thing. And then we're going to change the color, position. Now we're going to get fancy and add double tick. So I'm going to add me again up here with the shadow in the back. We're going to just position that a little bit to our liking. And then we're going to go on to the next one. Now we're adding our second video. I'm adding my Instagram, so we're going to screenshot. So you would do is you would screen record your page or whatever it is, or just put a regular video. And I'm going to do that. To get the green screen, I recorded on YouTube, just screen record. And you're going to pick that one, add it on top. You want to go in iMovie and edit this together. Save your stuff from Canva, and you're going to add on top and time it. Here's a bonus on how I add my music. You're going to go and type in whatever artist you like and type in a type beat. It is like the best thing you can do to not get copyrighted in your intro. So, and they're free. So add that on as audio only, and then you're going to split and cut, and that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. And now